Dear customer, this is our QLQ new model automatic metal zipper YT stamping machine. Now we would like to introduce the advantage of this machine for you. First, you can see this machine is much smaller than the old model machine, so it can help to save the space of your factory. Two, you see this, the main axis of the machine has been locked for 360 degrees, and there is no gap. So the point position of each piece YT is totally same. The point on the YT. Because for the old model machine, this main axis only has been locked for about 300 degrees, so the point position of some YT maybe will be a little different. So there is one plated level. There is one plated level on the sliding block. When the machine is in high-speed operation, the temperature of the sliding block will not be very high, so the sliding block will not be broken easily. For this new model machine is more stable. When the machine is in high-speed operation, the puncture will not be broken easily. 5. This new model machine is more easily to close the brass wire. You see, you can put the bobbin of the brass wire here and then close the brass wire from here. And you just put this handle to the front way is to close the brass wire, and after you finish it, you just need to put it to the back side. 6. There is one alarm this alarm on the machine. So if there is any problem with the machine, the alarm will flash, and after you solve the problem, the alarm will stop. 7. This machine is with one flag. This one. With this flag, when you stop the machine can be stopped immediately. 8. There is one sensor. This sensor. If the zipper tape has no center code, this sensor can feel it, and the machine will be stopped automatically. 9. This machine is with zipper combining function already, so you don't need to buy another zipper combining machine. This is to place the zipper. You can see the zipper combining. Thank you for watching.